Open Cohort Explorer by selecting your cohort and applying your chosen filter. Once your cohort has been prepared, you can decide which areas you're interested in for your report. In this example, we're going to look at age against alcohol status. We're also interested in the gender distribution of our cohort, so we'll apply a filter to show females only. Now let's generate a report for our cohort. Navigate to Reports, give your report a meaningful name, and request a report export. Livingstone will generate the report in the background and notify you once it's ready to view. Once the report has been generated, we can select it to view. The report shows information such as applied filters, cohort attrition, and the output we requested, plotting age against alcohol status. We're currently viewing the HTML version of the report, but we can also view it as a PDF and download it if needed. When you're finished, you can navigate back to Reports, return to Cohort Explorer, and then back to Cohorts. Any reports you've created can be accessed again at any time from the menu by selecting Reports.